10 folks. 877-600-GANG. I want you to follow me with gold, because gold is going to be huge. Gold mining stocks. I also want you to follow me with an oil stock. And if you want, you can go to my site, if you have a mobile device, phyllisgang.com, and I'll go through these stocks with you on my MV2, and you can see it starting with AU. I just put up AU now. But it works. So join my gang right now, $39.95. You get the chart. It's a value of $39. You get that free for 1 month. And during that month, I want you to follow me on AU or any of our stocks, our portfolio stocks. You can just watch, okay? And we post every day at 2 o'clock. A video tells you exactly what to do, so you can't go wrong, for heaven's sakes. So again, I'm going to limit it to 10 people. I'm going to do it again. Now, if you listened last time, you've been up 10% already. So I'm going to do it again. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. Go to my site or call right now. We'll shut it off tonight. 10 members, and start following me. The first time you would have been up 60%. Okay. So let's see if this time you decide to do it. Frustrating for me, because I know, I mean, I've been doing this for 45 years now, and I know what's going to happen, and love to get people to make money, because that's how we get money to St. Jude. Remember, this whole program is based for St. Jude. That's how this program started. We started this program for one reason only, to get money to St. Jude, because my son had cancer at that time. He's fine now. So this helps you, and it helps the kids of St. Jude. It works. All right, let's go back to this recession. You know, if you really think about it, he is absolutely right. Now, it used to be all modern-day presidents, all the way up to number 41, Bush Sr., when they got signals of a recession, like lower housing starts, which we got yesterday, declining durable goods orders we got yesterday, declining business sales we got, declining construction spending, we have that too, declining manufacturing, we have that too. All those, the only one we're missing is the yield curve, because they cheated. Because Larry Kudlow and his team, Steve Moore and Laffer, rigged it so the 3-month no longer and the 10-year would be inverted. That way they could tell you there's no recession anymore. No recession. But you got all these other signals. So it used to be, when these modern day presidents saw this, they were glad. Because what did a recession do? Yes, there's some pain, but it cleans out these excesses. The modern day presidents would look at a recession as an opportunity to reduce these excesses in the private sector and in government, especially debt, bloated inventory. It gets you to reset bloated stock prices. We have stocks right now, as I told you before, the S&P 500 stocks. Rarely do we ever have 20 stocks of the 500 over $100. We now have over 200 of them. Why? Well, because they're not splitting their stocks. Why aren't the CEOs of companies splitting their stock? They're scared to death because they know the economy sucks and they know we're going to go into a recession. And the only thing that's holding this whole recession up is the plunger team. So they used to love recessions. Yes, pain, but remember what would happen with a recession. As it was painful, it turned out to be the best for government and individual households. Once over, and all the excess is gone, both government and your household, the economy would explode, because you weren't dragging the economy down with debt and bloated inventory. Stock prices, instead of being stock at $100, it was back down where it should be, at $15 or $20. Home construction, they would always come out of a recession. home construction first. And what would happen is home construction would lead. Home construction had a multiple effect on jobs. For every one job at a construction site, there'd be 4 more jobs you're creating within your community. So he's right. Recessions are a little painful, but boy, when you come out of recession, your economy grows 4-5%. And in the meantime, while we have the heaviest debt ever, $122 trillion, what was Larry Kudlow doing? He was lying to us, telling we're going to have a GDP of 3, 4, even 5%, he once said.
It looks like it's 4-ish. I'd be thrilled if it was 3+. We are getting 3.
No, you're not getting 3. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. You got to have a recession to get a growth of 3, 4, or 5%. More when I get back. Get your chart, your free chart right now, and follow me on gold. We're already up 10% on AU.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party. Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party.
What if you could have an in-depth understanding of the stock market just like the pros? Well, thanks to Phil Grandy and philsgang.com, you can. philsgang.com offers comprehensive, up-to-date market information designed to help you understand and anticipate market behavior. With philsgang.com, you'll build your investing confidence even through down cycles and periods of uncertainty. Go to philsgang.com. philsgang.com today. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264.
At St. Jude Children's Research Hospital, we're fighting against childhood cancer every day. At the heart of this battle are our donors.
Most of us want to make some type of difference in the lives of others. St. Jude does miraculous work.
The fact that no one has to pay, it's a place where everyone is treated as an equal.
Everybody is welcome here, and it doesn't matter your religion or what part of the world you're from, all that is taken away. It just gives you some hope.
It's just a nice feeling to put your energy into something that really does genuinely make a difference in a child's life.
There's just no greater gift. If we have the ability to help, then we have a responsibility to help.
Finding cures, saving children. St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Find out how you can help at stjude.org.
Tell you every time I'm on the air, join my gang. Try it. Try it for 30 days. AT&T, we got a 3% profit so far in May. Our Goldman Sachs are up 6%. Our Intel, we have a profit of 16% shorting it. Caterpillar, we're up 11% shorting it. And Schlumberger, we're up 18% because we shorted it. That's how you make money in this game.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. To get my chart, my color-coded chart, to follow me on AU, we're already up 10%. If you recall, AU, a gold mining stock, on October 3rd, I said, join the gang. I'm going to give you my free color-coded chart, which is normally $30, and give it to you free with a membership. Got to join the gang, $39.95, but I'll give you that chart for $30. Follow me. I said, you watch how much money you're going to make. I said, build my business, like all businesses, you build on word of mouth. I said, I need 10 people to join, or it was 20, I think, back then, 20 people to join me. You follow me on Gold, you'll see you're going to make money. Well, guess what? Today, we're now up 10%. So, again, I'm going to give you that offer again. Go to my site, philsgang.com, where it says Join Now, and just click Join Now. Go to the top of my site, philsgang.com, go right to the top. It says click Join Now. So easy, just click on, and you're going to get your chart free. It's $30, you're going to get that free. And when you hit the Join Now, obviously, you've got to pay $39.95 for the membership. And we'll add the chart for you. Okay, if you want to call, that's up to you, 877-600-GANG, whatever is easier for you. 877-600-GANG, or again, go to the top of Phil's Gang website, click on Join Now, and then you join the gang, and then we'll add for you that free $30 chart. Every day at 2 o'clock, all you have to do, 2 o'clock Eastern, is just go look at the videos, it's called our Working Investor Portfolio. That's the members' portfolio of stocks. And just pick one. And why don't you just start with AU? Here's how it works. Like, for example, we have part of our portfolio is Caterpillars. And so today we posted Caterpillar. Now we post every stock, a video with every stock. But here's how it sounds.
Looking at our Caterpillar, let's go ahead and add. You see you've got a nice engulfment here. We're going to move our stop from 125.35 up to 130.39, which is going to be right in this area here.
So what he's doing, he's showing you on our color-coded chart I'm giving you free. That's $30. You're going to get it free. He's telling you exactly what to do. How can you not make money? How can you not? I mean, you're following the chart. He's telling you step by step by step. When to buy, when to add, when to take some profits, when to run like hell, when to short. If you just follow it, you can't lose, for God's sakes. Why don't you just try on paper? Don't use real money for the first month. Unbelievable. So anyways, I'm going to offer 10 people. Go to my site. Just go to the top of Phil's Gang site right now. Click Join. So you're join now. So you'll be in the site, you paid for your membership, and then we'll add to it the free $30 chart. How's that? Or if you want to call, 877-600-GANG. All right, let's get going here. I want to again talk about, Bill Maher says recessions. Well, he wants a recession so to hurt everybody. It's not going to hurt everybody. Yes, you're going to get a little pain, but remember, it was all the presidents up to 41, Bush, they welcomed the recession because what it would do is get rid of the debt, get rid of the excesses, get rid of the bloated inventory. And boy, when that was done, the economy grew. You'd come shooting out of that economy, out of that recession, you'd be going 4 or 5%. Here's what's funny. Listen to what Kudlow said first. He was promising a 4 to 5% GDP. Listen to this.
We could grow this economy at 4 or 5%.
No, you can't. It's impossible. You can't. And I'll tell you why. Then he backed down and he said, well,
it looks like it's 4-ish. I'd be thrilled if it was 3+.
Then he backs it down again.
You've got a very strong economy.
Yeah, right. Because you can't do it. When you have excess debt, you can't do it. And here's what happened. If you, and by the way, when you come out of a recession, the reason why the economy explodes because construction always leads, and you have a multiple effect on jobs. For every one construction job, there's 4 more jobs that are increased in town. Wages and savings increase. The middle class, the foundation of our economy, okay, they have the most disposable income. They invest in startup businesses, which is the backbone of our economy. Economic growth takes off because you don't have that debt holding you back. That's why when he kept on saying, well, it's going to be 4 to 5%, then he backed it off, well, 4 to 3%. You can't grow when you have debt like this. So every president up to number 41 never interfered. They wanted the recession to occur because they knew at the end they'd be doing fantastic. Because at the end, all that debt is gone. It works. So it's a big benefit. Now, the first one who went away from this was Bill Clinton. Bill Clinton, do you remember what was going on? He took over Bush's recession. He had also the dot-com era was just coming in, the dot-com bubble. So instead of letting a recession work, what's he do? He turns around and he prints a bunch of money and he lowers interest rates all the way down, saying, okay, what we're going to do is let's drop interest rates. Let's get people borrowing even more so they'll go out and spend. And they can borrow money to buy the dot-cons. Really? That's what Bill Clinton did. And then when that collapsed, instead of baby Bush going into a recession, he turns around and drops interest rates again. What are you, nuts? Then Obama, when he comes in, he's got a recession, and he drops interest rates again. So Clinton, the dot-com bubble collapsed, right? Clinton gets out, Bush comes in, he starts lowering interest rates, he creates a housing con bubble. When he gets out, that collapsed. Obama takes over. Instead of doing a recession, he starts a dot-com, he starts a QE con bubble. So all these bubbles, they're adding debt on top of debt. All the other 41 presidents, they never did that. They did what was right. These presidents screwed us all because they only cared about making money for their pals on Wall Street. Hey, we'll be right back after this break. Get your free chart right now.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at City Side Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day block party.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
I've been a Phil's Gang member since 2014. Over that time, I've generated over six-figure profits. Following Phil, his charting system has really been a huge impact on my career and my life. I would recommend Phil's Gang to the mom and pop out there. I would recommend it to parents teaching their children. I would recommend it to grandparents. If you really trust in their system, you will do well.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264.
Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. The Phil's Gang Trading and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Don't wait. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. Stop wasting your money and time on outdated newsletters, reading dozens of websites and magazines. You wanted it, you got it. One-on-one coaching with Phil Grandy. For more information and to register, call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Or register online at philsgang.com. And we'll see you on the charts. Attend the Phil's Gang Personal Stock Market Coaching Seminar with Phil Grandy and Steve Celeste in Sarasota, Florida. This seminar will educate individuals who are interested in learning in-depth stock charting technicals, providing professional one-on-one training strategies and personal investing experiences. This Phil's Gang Training and Investing Seminar will give you the confidence to make profits in the stock market. Register today. Call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264, or register online at philsgang.com.
With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, remember on November 9th here in Sarasota, Florida, you can join myself and Steve, only 10 folks, and we'll have a private education right here at our office, just Steve and I with 10 of you, and we'll teach you all day long. It's only $500. That's November 9th. So sign up. Go to my site, philsgang.com, and sign up. Now, right now, what I'm saying is, if you recall, on October 3rd, I said gold is going to rally. People are going to start jumping back into gold. You watch, gold mining stocks. And we're already up 10%. I said, everybody join me. If you joined me then, you'd be up 10% now. So I'm going to do it again. So I'm going to offer 10 more folks the free chart, color-coded chart. You have to join the gang. You go to my site. Go to Phil's Gang. At the top of the site, it says click Join Now. Join the gang, and then we add to you free the $30 chart. You get that free. Then 2 o'clock every afternoon Eastern Time, or when you get home from work, click on, and you got instructions tell you exactly what to do. It works. It works. And if you want to do other stocks, that's fine too. We have our member portfolio. Pick out the ones you want to do, and everyone has a video. So whether you want to do Intel, we're doing fine, beautifully with Intel right now. Intel, we're up 9%. CAG, we're up 11%. Caterpillar, up 9%. We're doing good with that. SMH, 7%. So again, by following the color-coded chart, that's how we buy stocks. We're following the money. That's the way you buy stocks. So go check it out. 877-600-GANG if you want to call. 877-600-GANG if you want to call, or go to my site, Phil's Gang. Go right to the top where it says join. Click on, and then once you join, we'll just add the chart for you. Okay, so here's what's going on. So let's think about this. 41 presidents, every time there was a recession, they would welcome it, because you get rid of all the excesses, you get rid of that debt, you get rid of bloated inventory. And the best thing, the stock prices that are bloated, like right now, we have stocks that are trading $125. You shouldn't be trading it for you shouldn't even be buying it for $25, not even $15. That's what's happened. When you keep on doing what they did, think about what they did. The first time in history, it was Bill Clinton who said, I am not going to take this recession and benefit. I'm just going to benefit the folks on Wall Street. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring interest rates down to very, very low. I'm going to loan people on Main Street more money. Now remember, people on Main Street, when you have a recession, the reason why you have a recession, because businesses are slowing. Their revenues are slowing. Their sales are slowing. Why? Because in a recession, people start getting laid off. There's too much debt, and businesses start slowing. That's why you go into a recession. So just at a point, you should let it go into a recession. What did Bill Clinton do? He said, let's take the dot-com and let's drop interest rates down. And then what we'll do is we'll give folks who are up to their neck in debt, we'll give them more debt. Have them go buy cars. Have them buy anything. And then let's take our top 1%, give them free money to go and take this bubble, and the dot-com bubble, and just go buy all kinds of dot-com stock. And they did, the top 1 percentile. But it didn't help Main Street. Main Street ended up being the stooges. Yeah, Main Street, they give them more money to go into debt. All that happened for Main Street, they got more debt. Then, when the market crashed, because people couldn't pay their debt off on the dot-com, Baby Bush comes in. Instead of letting a recession happen, instead of letting the banks collapse, he didn't. He comes in, he does the same thing as Bill Clinton, bring interest rates back down to zero. So he tells people again who are already in debt from the dot-com, go into debt even further. So they started getting into debt around 2001. Now from 2001, 2000, they're getting into debt even further. And then, boom, the housing market crashes. Obama, instead of saying, you know what, I'm going to take this recession, let it happen, clean it up, like all the other 41 presidents. No, he says, I'm going to do the same thing as Bill Clinton, same thing as Baby Bush. I'm going to do a QE-con job. I'm going to bring interest rates down to zero, and I'm going to give it to the people on Main Street so they go out and spend more. So what happens is, for 18 years, You got debt going on top of debt, going on top of debt, and they lie to you. For 18 years, they say, oh, that's economic growth. No. When the stock market was going up 350% over the last 10 years, that's not economic growth. That's insane debt. But they lie to you and call you and say, oh, this is economic growth. No, it's not. It's overwhelming debt. Now, Trump comes in. He's a candidate. He points this out. He says 5% unemployment is a total lie. It's a total hoax. It's 18%. He then turns around and says the stock market is a hoax. He says the stock market, if you just push interest rates up just a little bit, the market will crash because it can't absorb it. He was right. Remember, 9 times since December of 2015 to December of 2018, we try to push interest rates up just 2.2%, and the market each time couldn't absorb it, and the market sold off. Every time, think about it, 9 times they raised rates from December 2015 to December 2018, and they had to stop. That was the last time because they couldn't raise rates because the market couldn't absorb just a 2% interest. So here's what it means. We can't get back to normal rates. You got to get back to normal rates. Well, if you can't get back to normal rates, and for 10 years, we're at 2%. Our economy's only grown 2.8%. And now the stock market's not even growing anymore. But what do? They come out and continue to lie to you. That's why join my gang. This is stuff I do every day. This is stuff I watch every day. So my members don't get caught up in this nonsense. Think about it. Since 2001, they've let you believe every time they dropped rates to zero for the dot-com, housing con, QE con, they're telling you, oh, this is wonderful. Look at the stock market going up. What economic growth we have. But wait a minute, our economic growth for 18 years has averaged on an annual basis 2.8%. We're not growing. You can't grow when you have this kind of debt. $122 trillion in debt. That's just the national debt's 22 trillion. And then on top of that, you got Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security. That brings up to 122. That's just too much debt. We can't do it. The consequences were horrible. So then what do they start doing? They start doing stock buybacks, because there's so much debt to get the stock up. What they would do is cheat and buy their own stock back because there's too much debt. So they push the stock up using stock buybacks, and they tell you, oh, look at this. We have great economic growth. No, you didn't. CEOs steal money from the capital investment account that was supposed to give you wage increases. That's why it used to be a felony. Think about what they do. The CEOs, they go in and take the money that was earmarked for you for a wage increase, and they buy their own shares of stock. They become incredibly wealthy. As the stock market goes up, they continue to lie to you. All the programs lie to you, whether it's CNBC or Fox Business or Bloomberg's or any of them. They all lie and say, oh, look at this. The economy is beautiful. And then it's not beautiful. It's not. The CEOs, what they're doing is they're masking their large debt. They're masking it. It's just incredible. So that's why, again, if you join my gang, you're going to be on the right side of this. If the market keeps going up, they keep cheating, let them do it. We'll be there. We'll be making money. If it's going down, we'll be making money. So make sure you follow me with gold. Everybody's going to be in gold. So get your free chart today. Go to philsgang.com, go to the top of the page, click join now, and you get your chart free.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party, hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party. Join us Saturday, November 9th, Veterans Day weekend at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. The Veterans Day Block Party, hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org. Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party, hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who served. Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota.
Hi, I'm Kendra Simpkins, U.S. Army veteran and CEO of local veteran nonprofit Operation Warrior Resolution. Come celebrate Veterans Day with us at this free event with plenty of food and drink, live music, and celebrity surprises. Come show your support, honor our heroes, and have lots of fun. We provide peace to veterans in distress through the use of alternative methods.
Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for the Veterans Day Block Party. Join us Saturday, November 9th for the Veterans Day Block Party hosted by Operation Warrior Resolution. The best local bands, celebrities, food, and fun to celebrate those who serve. Do you understand? Everyone welcome to come celebrate the military nonprofits of Sarasota over Veterans Day weekend, November 9th at Cityside Apartments in the historic Rosemary District in Sarasota. Starts at 1600 hours. That's 4 p.m. for those who don't know. For more information, go to OperationWarriorResolution.org. That's OperationWarriorResolution.org and click on the events page for Veterans Day Block Party. Be there.
You're not a regular listener to Phil's Gang? What, are you nuts? Listen to Phil Grandy and check out philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, get your free chart, my color-coded chart, $30. You get it free. Just got to sign up. Go to my site. Go to the top of Phil's Gang. Click on Join Now. You pay $39.95, become a member, and they'll give you, will add to that membership, a free color-coded chart. Remember, I said back in October 13th, I said, follow me on AU. We post it every day at 2 o'clock, the videos against our membership portfolio. Every one of our stocks, We put on a portfolio, tell our members what to do. So they get home from work, they know exactly what to do, and they do beautifully. So I said, watch AU. I'm going to make money on that. Follow me. And now we're up 10%. So it's not too late, not at all. So go ahead and either call 877-600-GANG to get your free chart now, or just go to Phil's Gang, and where it says join now right at the top, click on join the gang, and then we'll give you your free color-coded chart. You know, today is interesting. Okay, and oh, by the way, we have only five slots left for November 9th, okay? That's a great way to learn. Just 500 folks. Expert, beginner, it doesn't matter, because with just 10 people, Steve and I split it out. We can go ahead and just take care. If you're just a real beginner, you don't even know what a stock looks like, we'll split you out, we'll help you. But it's a private lesson for 10 folks at our office. Nothing better than that. Other people charge $2,000, $3,000. $500. Why do we do that? So you're making money, you help St. Jude. I still only charge $39.95 for a membership. It's been this way for over 20 years. While everybody else is charging much more than that. But I keep it that low so that you help St. Jude. I want to talk a little bit about Eli Cummings. They got a big deal going on, okay, about Eli. He finally bought a dirt bed. Like the rest of us, we'll all be buying our own dirt bed. But I have to laugh. This guy was so bad, right? But when he dies, he's a saint. Think of what he did, what this guy did. He was a mean, mean guy. Eli Cummings got together with the IRS, with Lois Lerner. Have we forgot about this guy? Why don't somebody talk about this in his eulogy? How many people he put into bankruptcy? Two folks I know he put into bankruptcy. What he did, Eli Cummings and Lerner got together, and they would target conservatives. Anybody what he did is he centralized a process of screening of applications for tax-exempt status that come from anybody that was a conservative, especially the Tea Party at that time. This is mean stuff. This is bad stuff. And what he would do is, the IRS would, you remember Lois Lerner? And he would target these people. In Philadelphia, he had an office all set up where they put a deal together where they could identify these conservatives, their applications immediately, and whack them. The IRS go in and whack them. This was him. It was his idea. It was his idea. He put a lot of people in bankruptcy. Unbelievable. But now they're telling him that he's the greatest guy in the world. Really? Unbelievable. You know, it's like when you're a kid. When you're a kid and you start out and you're young, you're a wise guy. You're just a wise guy, cocky when you're in business, right? You're 20, 22, working hard, and they call you a wise guy. They call you cocky and all this. Now all of a sudden you're 35, 40. You're no longer a wise guy or cocky, but watch him. Watch him. You got to watch this guy. Then when he gets in his 50s, 60s, he's part of the community. What a wonderful man. Have you heard what he's done for the communities in his 60s now? Wonderful man. Then when he hits 70, he's getting ready to buy a dirt bed. What a wonderful guy. He buys his dirt bed. He goes, lays in it. Oh, let's make him a saint. What you don't know all the wonderful things he's done. Isn't it funny how life works? You start out as a punk, wise guy, kid, and that's how they label you, and then you work your way up. And then by the time you die, you're a good guy. It's unbelievable. Well, this guy Cummings is not a good guy. He never was a good guy. Go look at his district. He's done nothing for his people. Nothing for his people. He's a typical politician. He's just worse than typical. But anyways, that just makes me sick. Why can't they, when they have a funeral, tell the truth about the guy? If he is a wonderful guy, let's respect him. This is a big leap, man. You're taking a big leap from the earth to a dirt bed. Let's respect that. I get that. We got to honor anybody who's going to go to a dirt bed. We don't know what's on the other side of that dirt bed. We got to honor him. We get that. But let's not be phony. We have the eulogy. Let's say what he was. That's all. We can say nice things about him if he has nice things. If he doesn't have nice things, don't make it up. If he's mean, he hurt people, talk about it. That's all. Let's be honest. Unbelievable. Anyways, okay, so here we are. It's been a year. For 18 years, they've been lying to us, telling us how great the economy is, how great the banks are. Oh, really? The banks are broke. The banks are illiquid. Nobody's telling you that. Do you know the banks owe $1.2 quadrillion in derivatives? That's 20 times the size of the world economy. How about some truth there? The banks are broke. They're busted. They owe, let me say this again, they owe 20 times the size of the world economy. But what did they do with these 1.2 quadrillion in derivatives? They took them and snuck them off the balance sheets. Hey, we'll take them off your balance sheet, won't tell you, and we'll sneak them over here, and we'll put it on the balance sheet of the Federal Reserve. It's unbelievable. Look, we got $122 trillion in debt. That includes our $22 trillion national debt. It's growing 35% faster than our economy is growing. You know, our economy in the last 18 years has not grown on an annual basis anymore than 2.8%. Why? Because if you go back and you look at all these recessions, starting with the dot-com recession, dot-com, housing con, QE con, those right there, okay, those 24 years, if you take those years alone, okay, which is about what, about 24 years there alone, remember, we never let the economy go into a recession. All we would do is cheat. All we would do is treat Wall Street, would make sure they get interest rates down to zero so they would get rich on the stock market because they get, remember, the top 1% get 85% of all the gains. The guy on Main Street, what they do to him, they con him. You know what QE is? Remember QE and stock buy? Let's talk what QE is. QE is a confidence game. When the economy is getting to a point where businesses are slowing, the economy is getting bad because of all this debt, they know they got to get your confidence up to buy. They don't want the stock market to go into a recession because guys are making a fortune in the stock market, right? Okay, so and doing stock buybacks. So what they do is they turn around and they keep the stock market going by dropping interest rates to near zero so these guys on Wall Street can borrow money, hardly any interest rates, low rates, and keep buying stocks. So what do they do for Main Street that's already up to their neck in debt? They give them more debt. What do? They turn around and say, look, we're going to give you more credit. We're going to give you access. Go down and buy a car. Go buy a Harley. Go buy a Jeep. Nothing down. So people already in debt on Main Street, they go get more debt. And then they point and say, look at the stock market. They point to, look at the stock market. They tell people on Main Street, and the people on Main Street have confidence because they see the stock market going up. But the stock market is only going up because of QE, of printing money and giving it to the top 1% to buy stocks. It's a confidence game. That's why it used to be a fraud. That's why it used to be a felony, because what they would do is build a confidence. And you, the consumer, you look at the stock market, you think everything's okay. Instead of getting rid of your debt, you double it. So you double it under the dot-com, you double it under the housing con, now you double it under QE con, and that's why the economy hasn't grown in 18 years. So please join my gang right now. Follow me in AU, okay? And just go to my site, sign up. It's free when you join for the chart. Just go to my site. Remember, November 9th, sign up, $500. Meet me at my office, private lessons. See you on the chart.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to make my dreams.
We get.
Join us